Welcome to this tutorial on how to change your website name on Wix. Here's a step-by-step guide to renaming your site. First, log into your Wix account and navigate to your site's dashboard. Go to the website you want to rename. Click on the More Actions icon, then click on Rename Site. Enter the new name and click on Save. Another way to do it is to log into your Wix account and navigate to your site's dashboard. Click on the website you want to rename. Navigate to the left sidebar and click on Settings. Under General, click on Business Info. You'll see your current site name. Enter your new site name in the provided field and click Save. This updates the name displayed on your site and in the Wix Editor. If you have any feedback or questions, please let us know in the comments below. And if you don't have a Wix account yet, no problem. You can sign up for a 100% free account using the link in the description below and start building your own website today.